Alright, so for e-learning today, you're going to create your own spring sports preview. You get e-learning credit, like attendance credit, just for completing one, but the best one is going to get extra credit in the grade book. So you go into online design, and then you go to plan book, custom templates, find the one with your last name. Okay, so I'm going to steal JD's for now, and I was already in it earlier. So you're going to hit edit. Now the thing with custom templates is you can't add a plain background like we could before. Not a big deal, you can still use a picture if you want, but that's the only thing that I have found that doesn't work the same way. So maybe we decide that we're going to put a shape in there. I'm going to use a fill. If you hit show more, that gives you all your colors. Okay? So like I want the background to be pink. I'm going to stretch it out to cover the whole page. Zoom out so I can actually see the whole page. Make sure that I cover all my edges. So there's my background. Okay? You can still edit text boxes, other shapes, whatever, just like you could on a normal page. So maybe I want to do one of the interviews, so I can see where it is. You still have access to the portraits, just like before.
You might also be able to, if that mic stays on, you can just like replace it with spotlight.
And just like before, when you put in a shape, once you get the portraits to show up, you can drag and drop it onto the shape so that your picture is now circular instead. I'll put my kid in there. I don't want to be in there. Where'd my circle go? Try that again. Oh, there he is. Now he's at the bottom. It was just taking a little while. So you can do that. Another thing that you can try is you can come down to templates down here. These are all templates that are already pre-created. So you, under custom templates, you change that to say maybe collage. You can drag and drop that on your page, and then you can just change all these things to be whatever it is that you want them to be. That's one way to make your layout of your spread a lot faster than you would have before. And you can use any of these that you want. Okay? Once they're in here, you can also click and move them one at a time as well. Okay? In the Google Drive folder that is linked on the assignment, you'll also be able to find the pictures that I took at girls soccer tryouts, boys soccer tryouts, and the interviews I did for boys and girls track, boys and girls soccer. If you have any questions, let me know.